Good morning, everyone. Justin, two-star garage, probably the smallest dealership in South Dakota, and we're gonna do something a little different today. There's our hen white. There's Crystal. We got the ATC sitting here. We got the other ATC sitting over here. 250 big red. 200X. This one's going to be coming up for sale. We're really not having to do a whole lot to it. Just doesn't run quite yet. We got a video coming out on that. I think today it's the nicest November day that I've remembered. These two hens are eating some pumpkins. We lost one last night, it looks like, but I think she might have wandered out from right back there. Just came strolling out. It's about 10:30. Wow, just look at that. Look at that sunshine. It is just so nice outside. As many of you know, we've been working on the house, my wife, Julie, and I think today we got to get a window done. This window's rotted, so we need to cut it out. We're actually going to take the crust of the window or the framing, we're going to take it off, and we're going to put new 2x4s around it. If I remember right, it was about ready just to fall out, so it should be just fine without cutting the glass. No. It's like that. Don't be afraid. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's not in there too good, is it? Let me grab my gloves. Looks like Mike from the BAS Ranch just showed up. He's gonna help us with this window. It's got a problem where the electric doesn't work going to the 115 volt outlet in the box, and then his trailer connector doesn't get any power to it. All the fuses are good, so we're gonna check that out. As I was just pulling this out, there's nails and stuff, so okay. The plan would be to remove the plastic, so we just have the window left, and then we'll just frame it around it. Sound good?
You got a new window, or the window stays?
This one will go back in.
Oh, okay.
Just like it did on this side.
Let me see what you did.
This is still the old window.
Okay. All
I did is I took everything off except for the actual window piece, and then we just put it right in, framed it in. Look at that.
Listen to it.
I introduced you as Mike from the BAS Ranch.
Mike the tool man.
Mike the tool man.
Look at Dad! Come on! Look at house! Look at it! Cool!
Are you posting a video?
We're recording it. Hey!
Daddy!
Hi! It's a heavy bugger.
What's that, Julie? Yeah, it is.
Part. Oh my!
Did it come right out?
Yeah, this portion.
Looks like there would be. I don't know what those are.
Hang on a second. Hang on.
Mama, 2 eggs, Mom.
Oh, did you find something?
Yeah, there's a screw down there.
Mike's a professional, by the way. He does a good job.
Yep.
All right. Look at that.
This video will probably go viral.
Yeah, no kidding.
Think so?
No.
some good adhesive, Justin.
Yeah, it's from the factory, I suppose, huh?
No, this was between the window frame and the old window.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure you're the one that put these in a long time ago, so you must
Am I?
have done good quality work. It had to be you.
Oh,
Maybe you don't remember, but you did the one upstairs in my old
I
room.
did some of them, yeah.
Oh, these were older. These might have not been
Yeah,
included.
I don't think I did these ones because
These were the ones that they didn't do.
I don't know.
Because they were more recent at the time. Okay.
Usually there's a few more mechanical fasteners. All right, well, we need to frame it in.
I started to clean up back here. Are you proud of me? It used to be real bad.
Well, if you put, or use one. Did you rip it down, or was
I didn't rip anything down on the inside
that
yet.
a 1 x then?
That's a 2x4.
Not over there. It's not. What do you got there? That's a.
Oh, you know what?
1x4.
I did. I ripped it down on the whatever it's
Table
called.
saw?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do with that? 40 1/4. You got.
They were covering her in dirt.
The kids were?
Yeah.
They were
But-
what?
They were covering her in dirt.
Chicken?
Yeah. This is White. Max named her.
Oh, original.
Yep. One of the OGs.
I found one.
Yeah, I think the straggler came walking up to the yard this morning right out of the back of the barn.
Oh, really?
Yep. Yeah, that thing's dirty, buddy. You know what that's for? It's for sucking poop out of the big tank in the front yard. Luckily, we haven't done that in a long time, though. Oh, that's why we made it, too, because it was too big.
Yeah. Yeah, the 2x4.
Yep. Should I rip one? Should I rip one down?
Well, hang on.
I don't have the right saw for it, but it came close enough. So that's how that's done. Much better idea. Moser, what you doing, buddy? Today I learned how to actually do the foam insulation, just so you know, as you can tell from looking at the other window. But you know what? Learning all the time from you. That's a good thing. You should have a class.
See this void there?
Mm-hmm.
And that channel basically runs there. Now you feel in here. What you're feeling is this edge of that.
Okay.
What you want to do is get that screw head in through the first layer so that it doesn't obstruct the window movement. So we got to pre-drill a hole there that's bigger than the head of the screw. But not through both layers.
Okay.
And get some holes pre-drilled. We'll throw this puppy in.
Damn it.
Hammer, good job. You're learning.
Is that a mouse hole?
Looks like it. I'm sure it's dormant.
Those dirty buggers. There's an old insulation.
Kitty, 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 kitty. Calling the chickens away from your trailer here.
Say here, kitty, kitty, to call the chickens.
They seem to come to whatever, actually. It is so nice outside. There you can see me. Just can't believe how nice it is. Oh, here it comes. Get ready. Did you bring the drill?
Yeah, it's outside there. The other drill.
Oh, what? Oh, this one? Is this the one you need?
Mm-hmm.
Well, that trick didn't work, did it?
Hold on. Impact.
Holy cats, there's a big bunch of flies in that thing. You see that?
Look, your siding's too tall now.
Oh, because we didn't trim it. I would just pretend that it's okay and nail it in, man.
Where you got a table saw, don't you?
Yep.
Can we use it quick?
Yep. Right, so what's going on?
Well, the siding got installed, and there's a little bit too much. Well, it's a little too high. So instead of tearing that off, we grooved the bottom of this board.
And what's the tool that you could have used if we didn't have this, if you weren't able to use the table saw? It's like a
A
groover.
chainsaw.
That makes good fine cuts. Isn't that?
Isn't that what?
But I watched Pete.
Pete?
He was making those boards for that manure spreader. And
Oh, he had a router.
so on this window here, professionally done, Mike's using some finishing screws. On that window over there, I just went ham with the siding nailer.
Yeah. Put a little caulk on it, it'll be fine.
Yep. Little paint.
So then show the...
Wow, that is nice, and you can't even tell the difference. I was ready to tell him just to, I told you to nail it right up.
48, and we'll go with 3/8.
All right, how many jewels did you guys find?
A lot. I got 10 white marbles.
10 white ones. Did you have to trade to get all white?
No.
How about you?
I think I got 6.
That's pretty good. Max is still looking for him.
I got 10 whites and a bunch of others.
Max was out there digging.
Holy cow, Justin.
Hey, I told you not even to look at
Nails
that.
aren't cheap.
Yeah, I know. We if I put green paint on those,
Nails are cheaper than
you won't even notice from about 50 yards away.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, count by me over there.
They don't notice as they drive by in the gravel. Why are we seeing all the nails on this
If one
one?
nail holds, 16 will hold better.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my goodness.
Are you gonna put that on YouTube?
Are we gonna put it on YouTube? Probably not. We probably will. When your dad's being funny guy, absolutely. People should see that.
Do the highlight reel.
Yeah.
Screws and that.
Yeah. Nails. Yeah, I was a little crazy in that one.
Got new tape last week. It's supposed to...
I don't know.
It's a different design with the lock here. Auto lock.
How's that work?
Sucks because it doesn't hold the tape when it's in the lock position. I mean,
For real?
well, yeah, it's in the lock position. Actually, that time I bumped it.
So,
So it holds it to an extent, but
but you can still pull it
say
out.
you were- yeah, now it's in the lock position and it's moving.
Weird.
So it's not the cat's meow.
I like all your bits hanging off your belt.
Yeah, it's something new I got this week.
That's pretty cool. I was wondering how you're switching up so quick. I think it's safe to say that we're all TV stars, huh?
Good call on not buying new windows.
Yeah, I think they'll do right.
Oh,
They're all right.
for now, yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. All right, well, there it is. We're gonna go work on the truck next, but
I gotta caulk it up first.
oh, okay, he's not quite done yet. Awesome. We're excited. We're gonna go ahead and take this and put the rest of the siding on up above the windows so we can get it up to where the block it ends, or at least right to it. Holy cats, it's color matched. No way.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that from?
Menards. At Menards.
You finished on the house? Looks awesome. Now we're working on the 2500 Ram 6.4 liter Hemi. This is the one we used to haul the disaster Dodge home, that Dodge Power Wagon. So what's going on is in the back, you've got your 4 flat, you've got your 6-7 round, something like that.
6 or 7 we consider.
Yeah, and so he doesn't have any power to the trailer lights, nothing like that. So we checked all the fuses just for connection, just to make sure you just go through beep, 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 beep on both sides of the fuse. Specific fuse location is different in each of the various trims offered for 2019. You need to check the underside of the fuse panel, yeah, to see which ones are which. The first thing you got to do when you get under this is get dirt in your face.
Wouldn't be a full day's work.
These wires literally look dirty but brand new. All right, what were you saying now?
That 20 amp was a spare. Switched it for the one for the running lights, and there it was.
Okay. So I don't know how much we got on camera here, but we went ahead and we checked underneath the truck, and we checked the pins, and we we're getting 12 volts to the back, but everything was working on the trailer except for the lights, the running lights, brake lights, all that were working. And then you pulled, Mike.
F29 trailer tow park lights. Called for a 20. A truck and trailer service center gave me a 25 last time it was blown, which wasn't that long ago, so there's a continuing problem.
So the 20 blue originally, which is what it calls for, 25 is put in that blue, and then on the trailer there's a charging system on there because it's got a battery, right? Is that for the hitch?
Electric jack.
Electric jack, yeah. And so that was a 30 and it was blown. It was a green 30. We put a 15 in because that's all we had. Now it's charging, everything's on.
Yeah.
And based off of the wiring, I mean, there could be a short in there because
That's the professional job from the person that built the trailer.
we got food waiting for us. So anyways, if you got a Ram and you're having problems with the lights, test to make sure you got 12 volts. And then take a look at those big box fuses. I don't know what they're called, but deceivingly it looked good on the top. But on the bottom you test it with a multimeter and it's bad. F30, what was it?
29.
F29. So there you go. We think it might be a problem with the trailer, not the truck. Truck looks good. We'll talk to you guys next time. It was a good day. We'll see you guys. Bye-bye.